Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Uh, Today we will discuss about the position isomeres. In last video we have discussed chain isomeres, and today we will discuss the second part of structural isomeres is position isomeres. Okay dear student, position isomeres. Clear? Now, what is the position isomeres? First of all, we should know what is position isomeres. The definition of position isomeres is when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different chemical properties due to the different position of double bond, triple bond or functional group in the molecule. The phenomena is called position isomeres, while the compound formed after the different position of double bond, triple bond and or functional group is called position isomers. Okay dear student, now first of all see here what is the definition of position isomeres. When two or more than two compounds having when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula, same molecular formula but different position of double bond, triple bond or functional group or functional group in the molecule, you can say the phenomena is called position isomeres. Position isomeres and the compound obtained are called position isomers. Okay dear student, when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different position of double bond, triple bond or functional group, the phenomena is called position isomeres and the compound obtained are called position isomers. Very important dear student. Now see the example. Suppose we have the compound of alkene series, and in alkene series if you want to find the position isomeres, then the number of carbon atoms should be greater than 3. Okay, that means we have to take here C4H8. Okay, C4H8. This is the member of alkene series named butene. Okay. Now the structural formula of this compound is CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH3. But this is the formula of butane. After 2 in butene, 2 hydrogen less than that of butane, to balance the valency of carbon is here double bond. Clear, dear student? Now this is the formula of butane, but name of this compound is but1ene. Okay, then the double bond shifted from this carbon, between these carbon to this carbon, the another structure obtained like CH3, CH double bond CH and CH3. You can see both the compound having same molecular formula but different arrangement of double bond. Here double bond at carbon number 1, while here double bond at carbon number 2. Okay, this is the different arrangement, and due to different arrangement the chemical properties of these isomers also change. Okay, so the name of this compound is but2ene. Okay, dear student, now we can say here the but1ene and but2ene are position isomers to each other. Position isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, very okay, dear student. Now let us see the another example related to alkyne series. Okay, related to alkyne family. Now we have C4H6. C4H6. This compound related to alkyne family. Okay, named butyl. But here also CH3, CH2, C, triple bond CH, and you can calculate the number of hydrogen and carbon atom. 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atom, 3 to 5, 1, 6 hydrogen atom. All the atoms are balanced. Okay, because here 3 bond is shifted and valency of carbon is 4, you know. So here 3 bond are present between this carbon and this carbon, and it is the position number 1. Okay, so the name of this compound is but1ine. When the triple bond shifted from this carbon to this carbon here, this from here to here, the another structure is formed C triple bond C and CH3. Clear, dear student? The name of this compound is but2ine. Okay, dear student? Now you can see here the position of triple bond is changed, and due to position of triple bond changing the position of triple bond, both compound having different physical and chemical properties. We will study in the chemical properties of this compound in chapter wise. Clear? Now both are position isomers to each other. Clear, dear student? That means but1ine and but2ine are position isomers to each other. Let us see the another example related to alcohol. Suppose we have C4H10O. Okay, now here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. Okay, the name of this compound is butane 1-ol. Clear, dear student? By replacing E, we have to add suffix as OL. Okay, this indicates the compound is alcohol. Clear, dear student? Okay, or you can write here 1-butanol. Clear, dear student? Now the another example, we have to change here the position of hydroxy group, not the position of carbon. Okay, so CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. You can calculate the number of atoms in both the compound. You will find same number of carbon atom, same number of hydrogen atom, and same number of oxygen atom. Here also 10 hydrogen atom, here also 10 hydrogen atom, 4 carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Okay, that means the molecular formula of same of both the compound, but structure are different, and structure are different due to the different arrangement of functional group. Here the functional group is hydroxy group, and in this compound hydroxy group attached to the carbon number first, second, third, fourth carbon number first, but in this compound the hydroxy group attached to carbon number second, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dear student? So the name of this compound is butane 2-ol. 2-ol and 1-ol represents the position of functional group is changed. Okay, and due to the change of position of functional group, these are called position isomeres, and the compound obtained butane 1-ol and butane 2-ol are position isomers. Okay, the phenomena by which the hydroxy group is changed is called position isomeres, but the compound obtained, the name of this compound obtained is called position isomers. Okay, position isomers to each other. Okay, dear student? Okay, these are the position isomers. Clear? Now, in second video we will discuss another structural isomeres. Okay, thank you. All the best.